Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a maze ball kids game. This one is a little bit complicated to follow, so pause and rewind and rewatch as many times as you need just to get it perfect. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. First we're going to take an A4 sheet of paper. We've chosen pink, you can choose any colour you like. And we're going to get our ruler and a pencil and we're going to draw a line down the side just like this. And then we're going to take our compass with a pencil attached and we're going to draw a line there and a line there. And then we're going to use the compass again and we draw a circle round, just like so. Make sure our circle is perfect. And we're going to use our compass again. And we're going to draw a line here. Move the compass along. Draw a line here. Move the compass along. Draw a line here, move the compass along, draw a line here, and move the compass along, and then draw a line there. Then we're going to get our ruler again, and we're going to draw some straight lines from each point. So along there, and along there, and along there. And draw another line along there and a line there. Perfect. Now with our parents' permission and guidance we're going to cut along those lines and create this shape. Can anyone tell me what this shape is? We're going to do the exact same thing with a piece of cardboard. And that's our base. We're going to stick our piece of paper to our cardboard. Now we're going to make the sides. So we're going to make sure our piece of cardboard for the sides is the same length as each of the sides of our shape. And then we're going to take a piece of paper, we've chosen pink again, twice the size of that piece of cardboard, so that we can fold it over nicely to cover the cardboard up. We're using PVA glue, but you can use glue stick if you like. And we're going to do that 6 times because we've got 6 sides. And then we're going to use our hot glue gun to stick those sides on. Don't forget to ask for your parents' permission and guidance when using your hot glue gun. We're going to carefully stick on those sides. Don't forget to stick the corners together as well. Carefully gluing on each side. Just like so. And once we've stuck on all 6 sides, we're going to create our maze on the inside. So you can use straw or you can use pasta, whatever works for you. You're going to create your little maze. So we've got some PVA glue. I'm going to stick down our pieces of straw. If you know exactly how you want your maze to look, you can always draw with some pencil an outline of where to glue. Carefully sticking on our straw. And once we've created our maze, we can use a bead or a marble to be our ball to roll around our maze and create a fun game for everyone. Perfect. I can't wait to see what you guys can create. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Arlo, and Arlo has drawn a very cool beach scene. There's palm trees, the ocean, sand, a little colourful umbrella, some deck chairs, and even some seagulls in the sky. Very, very awesome, Arlo. Well done. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!